So let's start with oil. We got the API. We're waiting for EIA. If that EIA number comes anywhere close to the API, how much higher could we go on oil?
Well, I think there would be significant more room to the upside over the next 24 hours, but we're kind of just trading at the flat line here this morning as market participants await that. As you had mentioned, the API came out with a pretty big estimate, drawdown of about 9.2 million barrels. This is 3 times larger than what the EIA is expecting. So they're expecting drawdown of about 3 million barrels. Nonetheless, we have seen drawdowns in 6 of the last 6 weeks, and this would make it a 7th week, and I think that could help the markets press a little bit higher towards that $49 level. Now, if you back away from the trees, you can see the forest. I think we're in a longer-term downtrend. That seems to be the path of least resistance. We've been making lower highs and lower lows since the beginning of the year, and I think we go retest that $45 level over the next couple of weeks and eventually see that accelerate down towards the year lows of 42.
Yeah, I mean, this month, oil, WTI at least, has been in its narrowest range since 2003. But let's switch to gold now. We're moving further and further away from that $1,300 an ounce mark. Oliver, excuse me. Is that going to change at all, given the Fed minutes later?
You know, I think the Fed minutes will definitely put some volatility into the market. But again, on a longer term scale, I think there's more upside to this gold market. We've had an incredible run over the past month, about $100. We got out above a massive trend line from 2011 highs when we were trading above $1,900. That came in at about $1,275. The next line in the sand that the bulls want to see conviction closes above is that $1,300 level. If we're able to do that, I think we could see some trend followers jump on board and propel us towards 1340 to 1350. The ace in the hole for the bulls is the renewal of the safe haven asset, with that coming from jawboning between North Korea and the United States.